everyone, welcome back to HTV Ron's channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make some awesome 3D Halloween cardboard decorations that are super easy to put together. So here's what you'll need. A cutting machine, HTV Ron cardstock, the shinier the better, scissors and tweezers, because details matter. Thick sponge tape, this stuff gives it that cool 3D effect. And photo frame, trust me, it'll look amazing. Okay, let's get crafty. First things first, pick out your colors. I went with orange and black cause what's Halloween without these two? Also some gold and sliver to enrich. Then, hop onto your design software and cutting your pattern into multiple layers using the colored cardstocks. Pro tip: adjust the cutting pressure depending on how thick your cardstock is. If it's too light, the blade won't cutting through bin there. Once your pieces are cutting, it's time to weeding the extra bits out. Take it slow and easy so you don't mess up the design. I made 4 layers and arranged them from front to back. It looks amazing already, doesn't it? Time to add some dimension. Here's where the magic happens. Sponge tape. Cut small pieces of the tape and stick them along the edges of each layer. Then, line up the layers and press them together. This creates just the right amount of space between each layer and gives it that 3D vibe. How cool is that? Now keep going and stack all the layers until everything is secured with tape. Alright, we're almost there. The decoration is looking so great, and the 3D effect is really on point. But I feel like something's still missing, like it needs that final touch to make it just right. Let's pop it into the photo frame and see how it looks. It's close, but it definitely needs a proper background to bring everything together. So for a little extra, I used gold glitter cardstock as the background. Pop the whole thing into your photo frame, and boom, you've got yourself an awesome Halloween decoration perfect for your home. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!